So next up was another Tamiya, a Taisan starcard Porsche 911 GT2. Again, by Tamiya. Very cool car. Heavy decal, that's for sure. Here's the box. Or the paint job if you want it. Decal job. Very cool. So let's see how this came out. And here she is. Came out looking pretty smart. Decals were good, very happy with those. I tried sanding this back and then polishing it. You can see some wax in the panel lines. Lesson learned again. Make sure I clean the wax out with the polish with a soft toothbrush. But overall, came out pretty good. So let's see what the pictures look like.